What's up, guys? Welcome to another video of Smith's Outdoor Services.
So my buddy Brian over at Brian's Lawn Maintenance has a challenge going on called What's Inside. So today we're about to go see what's inside of that pickup truck. Follow me. So this here is my Ram 2500 Cummins, and I guess we're going to start off with the back first. So in the back we just got a bag of ice melt, a mat that needs to go inside of my house, but as you see it's a messy truck bed due to all the I had a tree job before the winter and I wasn't able to clean it out. As you see, Ram 2500 Cummins. Messy floorboard. Haven't cleaned it out since winter has started. Inside of my door, we have a screwdriver. I don't know why. Sunglasses. And this is my gun holster to my Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0. Keeps a pair of gloves, earmuffs for shoveling, black ice because I love the smell. Gotta keep the hand sanitizer. My Plio remote control, charger for my phone, face mask because here in Minnesota some places still require a face mask. Just miscellaneous papers, more black ice. I actually have like a bunch of them. This is a mount for something. Very important keys, tape measure, a pen in case I gotta write some stuff down. And then let's take a look at the back seat.
Oh my God!
This is where the mess is. Ay. So these are the caps to my original rims. I was supposed to swap them out, but the dealership didn't have my tires in time, so ended up plowing with those bad boys. Gas can for the snowblower. Jack just in case I need it at any point. My trailer hitch. This is a Borla exhaust that was gonna go on my truck. I had took it off my old truck before I sold it. Just some miscellaneous scarves and stuff. This here is a flag. I'm part of the Minnesota Ram Club here in Minnesota. And yeah, that's about it. Let's see if she starts. I didn't have a chance to plug it in last night. I have 110 miles till empty. What's your gas prices over in your state? I know diesel here is about $4.79 a gallon. They say by midsummer gas will be about $6. So hopefully you guys are changing and updating your prices for this year. But yeah, That's my truck, guys. Passenger seat is pretty much clean.